channel. So friends, today I'm going to share with you two quick and very easy face pack, or you can say face mask, for this monsoon. As we know that during monsoon the face tends to get more oily, and especially my face tends to get more oily near my this T-zone area. So these are the masks which I personally use, and I think that I should share this with you all so that you can get benefit of this face mask. Oh god. So let's move into it. So friends, this is my first face mask ingredients. I'm using this Multani Mitti, and I personally like Adore Naturals Multani Mitti powder. You can get this powder from any departmental store. I had got this from a Patanjali store nearby my house, and a cup of water, and this Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow face cleanser. I just love this water. So let's make the paste. Here in a bowl I had taken 2 to 3 teaspoon of Multani Mitti. Okay, now I'll add some water in it. Then I will add some rose water. You can add rose water according to your choice. I want half water and half rose water. If you want, then you can use just rose water and just make the paste. Yeah. So you can see friends, this is the consistency of the paste, and you can just apply this onto your face as a mask and keep it for around 20 to 30 minutes or till it dry, and after that just wash it with cold water, and you can see that your face will glow like what I'll say, your face will glow. And as we know that, as you know that Multani Mitti contains so much of mineral in it, and it will deliver all the minerals into our face. So it is a very good remedy and very good face pack for this monsoon season. So friends, these are the ingredients for my second face mask, and here in this bowl I had taken 1.5 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder or chandan powder, here in India it's called chandan powder. You can get this in any puja shop, or you can nowadays it's yeah, mostly available in all the supermarkets or departmental store, so you can get easily. It is easily available in the market. And in this bowl I had kept turmeric powder, so I will take a pinch of turmeric powder and will add in this sandalwood powder. I'll mix it well. As turmeric is a very good antiseptic, and it always protect our skin from all bacterial fungal infections, so it's very good to use it in our face mask. And then I'll use this gulabari, and I will just spray some inside it. This much. Now I'll mix it. it's getting dry, so I'll add some water. And I will just mix it to a fine paste. Just this much water is enough. Make a fine paste. Yeah, that's you can see the consistency of the mask. You can apply this in your face and keep it like this for around 20 to 30 minutes or till it dry. Then just wash your face with cold water. And the benefit of this mask is it will clear the scars, as well as it will improve your complexion, or the what will say, the skin. It will always brighten up your skin. So these are the two masks. So friends, these are my two face masks, and if you want to share with me something more, then please comment below. And if you have any tips for me, then please comment below. And if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I would and show your love towards me. Thank you. Bye.